able to get it going?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, just keep it on him for a few minutes and do a zoom in and a zoom back out. Like a ballet or something. Ballet is fire. Pivoting. I guess he's got his engines set up so it's an actual pivot.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, I haven't seen that before. Daddy into this thing, huh?
Never seen anything like that.
I think I've seen a video one time like that, but not in person.
There's some really interesting things to see out on a boat that you don't see when you're...
I think the most interesting was the fireworks display.
That was pretty cool.
That was spectacular. Yeah, a whole different world out here on the shore.
Water World.
Yeah. Oh.
There we go. Water World.
This was doing better. The helicopter. Go right through the V.
Maybe it's like a fire drill.
Yeah, they maybe had practicing because he just left about 5 minutes ago and went out towards the sea and then circled back in. So they maybe just testing equipment. These guys are just testing.
They didn't even have to say to anybody like, "Would y'all please get out of the way? We're gonna have it." He just turned his water on, and everyone started moving.
Yeah, they're testing their pumps and all that.
It reaches all the way from where the boat is to the docks.
Yep. Wonder how many gallons of diesel per minute he's burning. Because it takes some power to pump that water up like that.
That was pretty spectacular. I feel like I went to like Disneyland or something.
Well, you paid for every minute of that with your tax money.
Yeah, true.
But yeah, that was kind of cool. And they got to test it. They've got to make sure it works. Last point in time you want to find out your pumps are having trouble is when there's a boat on fire and you pull up next to it and squirt, nothing comes out.
That was like a joke when they came out, like, you know, it's the party water boat. But I said, it's not that hot.
They were heading towards the kayakers. I
Yeah.
was thinking, geez, what are you going to do? Waterboard them or, torture them or what's going on?
Our top story tonight, major developments in the Rush Limbaugh NFL controversy.